So there are total 8 gates in this airport, and the last gate is 7 and the first gate is era 7, and this is the gates, and you will find lot of malls and all. This time the government has decorated beautifully here. This is the gate number 6, and one of the airport is Vistara is going. Now it is being operated by Air India. So yeah, this is all about the airport. Finally we have boarded in the bus, and it will take, like, all the passengers are getting boarded, and we will go to that place, and the flight is scheduled there. After 5 minutes we will be on boarded in the flight. Finally we have boarded in the flight, and it will start around 11:50, and all the passengers are getting board. Sonal is with us. Sonal will be like, we should reach within 2 or not. This is the window view. This is the window view. Finally we have landed at the Goa Dublin airport, and we are going to collect our luggage bag. Then we will head towards the North Goa in the hotel, and we will check in the hotel, and after that we will start our journey. So guys, we are at the Anguna beach. So the vibe is really high, and you just see that the beautiful cottage and all. It's good for chilling. Beer are very like cheap here, and the atmosphere I will show you in the camera. You just see that camera. It was so damn good, the sunset, and the vibe is really high. It's the Anjuna beach, Goa. Anjuna. नहीं दोस्त लोग आगे लेके आएंगे, बुला लो उनको कॉल करके। So guys, we are at the Bhagator Sea Beach, and this beach is so beautiful, covered with rocks and stones, and this is a very much beautiful beach. And we just covered the Anjuna beach and come to the Bhagator beach, and the sea beach is very clear, and you just see that the view of the stones, and we are going through the stones. Yeah, it's a bit tough, but it's good. There is a flag also. We will go to that place. Between stones. This is the place. So guys, we are at the Fontaines Lane, and this is the beautiful building you are seeing besides of me. The building are so good, and it's looks very beautiful also. And photography and videography is strictly prohibited here. These are the Fontaines buildings of Goa. So guys, after covering today Panjim, the Portuguese colony, and 2 church in Panjim, we covered the Angona Fort and 2 more lighthouse and Kadolim Sea Beach, and now we are coming up around we have drive 25 kilometer to the Arambol beach, which is known as the Russian beach also. because many of the foreigners come here because for the heat and the beautiful landscape of this place. So I will show you some of the footage of this beach, and this beach is completely outskirts from the North Goa. It's around 23 kilometers. So we have reached the Arambol beach, and these are the clubs, open club, where you people can chill in these places. And these are the beautiful places for nightlife. And you also do some water activities here also. Water activities is these people also do some water activities, and you will enjoy beach food, street food also. And there is a logo I Love Goa is also in that place. And this is, and the end part is like very much beautiful, covered with the rock and stones. So guys, we have reached the Calendul beach and Baga beach also, and we have covered almost 2 beaches within 1 hour. And the sunset, you guys can see that sunset, I guess, clearly. This is such an amazing sunset, such an amazing. And it was, the time is like around 6:45. Still now the sun doesn't goes down, but in Odisha it's like completely dark. So we will head towards the South Goa tomorrow early morning, and we will cover 2-3 days there, and then we will wind up our trip on 15th of April. Okay, thank you. And we are heading towards the Baga beach. This is the kind of view you will get in the Baga beach. The streets of Goa is like damn good. And now we are going to the parking and take the vehicle and head. चल स्पीड से चल. The nightlife here is damn good, and Sonali is riding so beautifully. Sonali wants something gift from Trito's Lane.
Yes, I got. Very nice.
अरे बाहरे सबू नहांती रे, बाहरे कहांती. Okay, Trito's Lane is great after 10:30, I guess. 10:30, or after 5 it goes up to 3:30. So in season it's So guys, so we have reached the South Goa today, and around we left the North Goa around 6 am and reached this place at around 8:30 and take 1 to 2 halts in the road. Now we were heading towards the beach and Butterfly Beach and Island, and there is 2 more beaches like Pebble Sea Beach and Honeymoon Island and Butterfly Sea Beach Island. So we will go by boat, and it will take around 2 hours to go and back to the same place. So let's see how is the view and all, and we will take some good footage also in that place, and we will upload in the YouTube channel. So guys, now we are going to the Paulem beach, which is situated in South Goa, and it's one of the prime beach of South Goa. And we are going to this market and all. You can purchase anything from this market. So we are heading towards the Goa. So this is this beautiful beach, and this beach is basically the Paulem Sea Beach, and we are going to the Paulem Sea Beach now. And this is the Paulem beach. This is a beautiful beach where you guys can enjoy activities and all, everything is there. No issue with that. So this is our boat, and we will go to the 3 island: Honeymoon Island, Butterfly Beach, Butterfly Island, and Pebble Beach. And we are moving toward that place. Okay. Guys, we are at the Paulem Beach, and we are going for the boat ride to the Butterfly Sea Beach, Honeymoon Island, and many other places. So let's see how is the places and all, and we will take some videos also. So guys, this is the Butterfly Sea Beach, and we have reached this location. It is beautiful. Sonal is taking some good picture of this place, and we are at the Butterfly Sea Beach. You can see the view of this place. So guys, we have explored the Butterfly Sea Beach and Honeymoon Beach, Tortoise Beach, and Monkey Sea Beach, and we have taken a halt of 45 minutes on the Butterfly Sea Beach, and this is such an amazing place. You just love spending time with your family or with your couples or with your family. This is the beautiful beach. So guys, we are at the Palolem beach now, and you just see that how many foreigners are here. This is the beautiful place. If you want to swim, if you want to dive into the water or enjoy the water activities, this is the best place in the South Goa you ever experience. So I just love this place. Like we have gone up for a boat ride for 2 hours, and we have covered the Monkey Sea Beach, the Tortoise, the Honeymoon Beach, the Butterfly Beach, and also in the last, the boat driver has taken to us an island where we have spotted some dolphins also. So I will put that videos in that blog which you guys can watch also. So see, there are some Russians are also there. You just see that view. It was a damn crazy. This is a beautiful place, beautiful. The beach was so good. And these resorts are in this side. You can see that resort also. People are playing and jumping, and kayaking has also been there. Kayaking and many other activities are done in this beach. So this is the perfect place in the South Goa you ever been planning for. So let's see, in the tomorrow vlog we will cover the Kola Beach, Adarama, and the Agunda Fort, etc. So guys, finally we have reached that beach, and it was like damn crazy. I just got some crazy vibe here, and it was like beautiful. Guys, so it's the day 2 of the South Goa, and we are heading to the Kadori Rama beach, and we will cover Agonda, Kola, Pebble Sea Beach, and 2 more beaches today. So guys, we are at the Kadori Rama Sea Beach. So guys, we have reached this beautiful place known as the Kabodi Rama beach and surrounded with the coconut trees. This is a beautiful location. So guys, this is one of the most beautiful beach in the South Goa and it's around 23 kilometers from the Paolam beach. It takes us around 1 hour to reach this beautiful place where you found the coconut trees and the kayak also done here. And it's a very good place if you are looking for a calm and peaceful location in South Goa, then you should definitely visit this place. And like the time is around 6:30 and we have covered around 2 beaches here. Now we will go to the Kadari Rama Fort and then Kola beach. So guys, we are at the Kola beach and this is the kayaking we are doing right now. So Sonal is pushing backward. Sonal, is it working or not?
Till now it's working.
The reverse gear is little bit tough, I guess. Hope you are doing well. Sonal, I guess you are doing some accident now. Move forward, move forward. भाई उल्टा नॉलेज है ना आओ के पड़े था स्पीड चला बाहु का नखी थी पर बाहु बोली
एटा एमटी करी मो दिन रे 2 घंटा आगे कम ना
मो भलिया गोटे मो भलिया नु गोटे मोटा लोक दरकार तो माने गोटे आकिम भलिया आती
बांडा बट मुड़ी जीव बुझल ना आगे आगटा पड़ी मु डेकी पछ पड़ी मो वजन 80 किलो
थोड़ा साइड रे साइड लगेगा 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 लेफ्ट 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 लेफ्ट
लेफ्ट है नहीं
बस साइड को भी ना So guys, we are at the Kabodi Rama Fort and it was like the 19th century fort built by the British and Portuguese. And inside that fort, this is the entrance part of the fort, and inside part of the fort, it is a very old fort in the South Goa and one of the beautiful fort also, because after reaching the fort, inside the fort you can enter to the so this is the fort and this is the fort and upward part of the fort and the pebble which is there, and there is a church also, the Christian church. I guess Pebbles which will also be somewhere like here. This is a beautiful church. And the fort is like built in 1763 and we are going by the fort. Okay, there is a small tank. This is a beautiful fort. So guys, we have reached the Goa airport and we have done the web check-in also. Now our gate number is F and we have to step down to the first floor for all the gates, cause no gates are there in the ground floor. So we are there in the first floor and there are many shops and food stalls are there. You can try anything you want. So these are the gates. So these are all the gates, and this airport is beautifully decorated by various paintings, and various types of food courts are also there. And our gate number is gate F, I guess. Oh yeah, it's gate F, this one. So let's see whether the flight is on time or not. So guys, we have done the boarding and we are heading towards the flight, and we will on board within 5 minutes and the flight will leave around 3:15. Now we have onboarded in the flight.
Welcome to Indigo First Week. Good afternoon.
Refueling is in progress for this aircraft, and we ask you to remain seated with your seat belts.
And our seat is 16 ABC. It's crowded today.
अपनी यात्रा को शीघ्र शुरू करें। आप अपने बड़े बैग्स को ऊपर वाले ओवरहेड बिन और छोटे बैग्स को सामने वाले सीट के अपनी सीट पर बैठ जाएं। अपना आगे वेलकम टू इंडिगो।
Guys, we have unboarded in the flight and we have reached in our seat number 16, and I have got to the window seat and auto assigned by Indigo. So we will reach Bhubaneswar within 2 hours 20 minutes. It's around 5:30. Then I will leave for my hometown. Then we will see how much time it's taking to reach Bhubaneswar. The flight is being already 15 minutes before prior to the boarding time. So let's see at what time the flight is reaching Bhubaneswar.